Let me show you the power of Align tool, and this one is actually only in Studio version. So if you don't have it, grab it because it's amazing. But let me show you, right? So let me just patch this one, and let me just move this one in here and nuke that. We're going to go here and let's just raise the degree twice. So Shift S twice, and we're going to select these two with Shift and bump them up, right? So now we got a curved surface. We're going to grab this edge and Shift D and GY it in here. We're going to align it with Z, so SZ0. We're going to extrude it down like that, right? Now I'm going to grab this surface and also raise the degree here, and we're going to, you know, kind of disfigure this a little bit, okay? So let me just nuke that curve. There we go. Let me grab this point here and G Shift Z, and I want to move it somewhere here. And this one we're going to move backwards, okay, like this, right? So I got this kind of like a weird edge, and we want to align that with that. If you're going to use loft, you know, it's going to be a disaster, right? So what you want to do is you want to use the Align tool. So F and Align and Magic. And then tap to G2 and Bob your uncle. See what I mean? Now what we can do, we can actually play with this, because you see now here, we have only one span. What it means is that this entire curve here is basically one sheet. So the shading may be a little bit off, right? Especially when we try to do some more stuff with it. So you know, this distance here is massive. So what we're gonna do is we wanna increase the number of spans, not here, right? And number of degrees. And we're going to kind of, you know, play with this a little bit, okay? So let's grab this this one here and SZ0 and, you know, scale this nicely. Pop this somewhere here and rotate it. If you didn't know, you can rotate points. Here to SY0 to scale this, and this one the same. SY0, right? And then we're gonna fix all these here. So this one SZ0, right? And let me just select this one. Come on. Okay, that's good. And we can move this one here in. We can move this one out. We can move this one in as well. And this one here like this, okay? And we're gonna be fixing this on the bottom. It's fine. But you get the point, right? So we got this kind of a nice, you know, kind of a connection here. So if you see that, it's gonna be really clean, right? Really clean. So that's how you can use this aligned surface. So it's really powerful, okay? And then obviously you can, you know, you can arrange this and, you know, trim this and whatever the hell you want to do, right? And create a really cool kind of a surface out of this. Now aligning curves, it's really powerful too. So let's say you have a circle here like this, and you want it to kind of connect these two surfaces, right? So let's grab this edge here, Shift D that, and SY0, and drop it on Z to the bottom here, right? And we're going to nuke this one, so nuke that, and we're going to grab this one and this one, we're going to loft them with G2, right? So we're going to transition from this kind of a bulging thing to a flat surface. Now what we want to do is we want to combine this with this circle, right? So we're going to grab some curves and we're going to run it from here to maintain tangency, boom, like that. So there's going to be tangent here, and we're going to run it somewhere here. Now this curve, we want to align with this. So what you could do, we could, you know, grab this one and just try to find tangency here, right? By just, you know, running this curve around, and it's not easy to find it. Even I don't think it's even possible. But what you can do now is you can align them. So grab this one, shift select this one, go to F and align, and boom, right? And you can move this point, but also you can shift to G1 or G2, whatever the hell you want. And this one is really powerful, you see, because now we can do stuff like this, right? So I can do that. I can mirror this to the other side, okay? And Bob Jungle. So now I can, you know, run a cut here, and I got the surface. So I can select that and go with LW, right? And if I move this forward, so or cut this one, right? Well, actually moving forward is going to be better because this one is curved there. So GY and move it forward, you see, it's going to be basically connectable here, right? You can loft this, G2, Bob Jungle, and then we have a clean transition between these, right? So you can create some really crazy shapes and, you know, ideas, and you can use this tool to align not just surfaces but also curves. and it's just an extremely powerful workflow. So anyway, this is available in studio version, so grab it if you don't have it. You can get a 10% off. We offer it with every single course of ours, and if you really want to master Plasticity and you just have access to the indie version, then grab our course, The Ultimate Guide to Plasticity, which is indie version friendly and it's beginner friendly. And I'm going to show you how to build this amazing spaceship with the interior. We're going to bring it to Blender via Plasticity Bridge. I'm going to show you how to texture it, how to detail it, and how to render it. So the whole pipeline is explained, and the course is absolutely fantastic. People love it, and you're going to love it too. And you're also going to learn how to design this amazing, sci-fi ship. So anyway, that's it for the video. And if you would like to learn more tips on Plasticity, watch this video next. Thanks for watching.